Amerlife Platform Bed. Appealing style built on beautiful industrial headboard and footboard and metal frame. Minimalist design provides a comfortable style for your relaxation. Easy assembly features quickly to construct and dismantle. And move with metal construction, our service to make the customer satisfied. We provide a 5-year free parts replacement, limited 30-day return policy. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2021 upgraded frame. This bed frame is made of high-quality steel. A rustic wood headboard and a patented U-style frame to ensure the bed is elegant and durable. The weight capacity of the platform bed is 1,000 pounds. Number 2. Easy assembly. Featured easy locking system by using 4 U-shaped hardware. Only takes 30 minutes to complete installation with detailed instructions and the labeled pieces. Number 3. Noise-free structure. Added support and noise elimination via 9 heavy-duty metal legs and plastic caps. Patented steel slat structure and non-squeaky structure provide you with a dozy and quality sleeping environment. Number 4. Retro look and storage. Classic black metal bed frame with vintage rustic wooden headboard and footboard riches your bedroom in industrial. The bottom height is 12 inches clearance, providing comfortable storage space underneath. Number 5. Our promise. We provide 5-year free parts replacement and satisfaction return guarantee of 30 days. If there are any quality problems, no reason to return. Number 6. Rustic style, featured with an industrial and concise design. This bed will match well with various styles of rooms. Number 7. Heavy-duty metal slats. Made of premium iron slats and high-quality metal connecting brackets, plus 9 support legs to prevent structural deformation. Number 8. More storage space. 12.2 inches of vertical large space under the bed for storing stuff, which can meet your daily storage needs, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.